Alright guys, I know I've done little updates here and there, but this is the sleeper computer. All up and running. Janky wiring back in the back. Cool colors. My RGB. I've got my graphics in here without even hitting the Wi-Fi card anymore. I've got my hard drive, disk drive. I've got everything in here. I know it's a mess of wires and it's loud, but I've also had to use the CPU I was given, which is a 1000 series instead of my 5000 series, which is a 5600X CPU, which kind of is disappointing. But basically what happened, it wouldn't boot at all and just showed the DRAM light. But other than that, it's a good computer. Like and subscribe.